மசால் வடை எப்படி பண்ணுறதுன்னு பார்க்கலாம். How to make masala vada. Like and subscribe Kaya's Nalapaham and click the bell icon. Soak 2 glass of chana dal for 4 hours and drain the water and put it in the mixer. Add asafoetida or perengayam. Add 4 inch of ginger. I have put the remaining ginger at last. And 10 to 12 garlic cloves. A bunch of curry leaves, coriander leaves, and mint leaves. Add 3 to 4 green chilies. Add turmeric. A required stone salt. Add 1 big onion chopped and mix well to this mixture. In a hot oil pan, take a small ball of the mixture, tap it and make it a round shape and make the flame in low and let it cook till it turns brown. Masala vada is ready. It's suitable for snacks and as well as for the rice combination. Like and subscribe Kaya's Nalapaham and click the bell icon.